Hi to everyone. I am Javier. I am from state. You can check this. This is my coordinates. 280, 208. Okay, you can check. I don't talk fluency English. But check. I This is a tutorial. So about who is possible. Come with me. You can check. I am from a state now. From a state 266. You can check with this. Okay. Um. Now you can check my level. My level is 3. You can check this. Okay. Check your inventory. You need to have this. Is essential to have. Why? This is possible move to all zone to all states, uh, but with these conditions. Okay, you can go here. You go to map here. Put here. Okay, and you search. You search here. You put here. Okay, or the easy way. Okay, you can put here these coordinates. Please don't forget this is essential. Put the coordinates. Who is possible put the coordinates. Check in this. You put here and put same at this. Put at the same. Okay, go move. Ha. Huh. You can check here. Okay, you need to have this. Put here and go. You need to put here accept here and yes. Okay, you are search the same coordinates. uh, I give you. Okay, shit. Okay, you can check example like this. This is my another farm. Put here. You need to put here. Okay, it's all. I go to my principal account. I go to my principal account and wait a few moments, please. Okay, wait. Like this. Okay. Uh, wait moment. Wait. Okay, I will go to my principal account and I accept you to enter in the alliance. You can check your entry in the alliance. Okay, and later need to use this or give teleportation and put near to me. Uh, this is an event that's occurring now. Okay, okay, you can check, you can check. Ah, I remember now. You need to have a file level and move to near to me. But this is all tutorial to need to know, and it's all is possible, or I need, or Italians need uh, activity active active players to play with me or to play with all. I have a group in WhatsApp, and it's all. And thank you, and see you next time here in this state. Bye bye.